So now members, in this lesson we are going to see bounded classes. What happens if you have bounded classes? So some data can be given in the form of class boundaries. These ways include the following. So I'm going to exhaust and list all the ways. So we have case 1, when they give you from 80 less 85, then they give you this less 90, then they give you this less 90. Don't say these are the same. That shows that they are giving you class boundaries. So now your class boundaries, you just choose from 80, 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 95. I'm going to come back to this case. When we have classes from now 0 to 3 to 6 to, now these ones, you say from 0 now to, you put this as the next. Then from 3 to 6. Then from 6 to, now this one, if they are giving you the left limits. Now you start the interval here from here up to here, they are adding 3, even here they are going to add 3. That's why I can predict the next, this one is going to run from 6 up to 9, like the way I'm doing. You see the same, so those are classes. Here, you can predict the next. They are coming out the next. From this one, they are telling us now, they are giving us on the right limits. So 200 to 20, 200 to 300. It means that if they give you 2, it means that if they don't give you anything here, 2, then this one has to be 0. So this will be 0 to 100. Then this will be, the next will be 100 to 200. Then 200 to 300. Here they are giving you the class where I was talking from. The next is easy when they give you 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. That one is very easy. Now we have this case where they are giving you less 10, less 20, less 30, less 40. Now here, can't just predict it. So here it means that if they give us less, it means that the first will be 10 to 20, 20 to 30, the class boundaries, then 30 to 40. You can't predict here the next because the rate this is just below 40. So that's the idea. When they give you this, don't assume that this is 0. So you just take this, and you take it the way it is. Now, that question is very different from this. Look at this one. They are telling you that age groups examples. The table below shows population in thousands in different age groups. Use it to find the mean and mode. Now, they are giving us age groups, then the population in thousands. So this below 10, we have 3. But above 10 and 20, that's why there it's different. Here they are telling you above 10 and 20. So meaning here, if I have below, means that I will go to a 0. Okay. So then here we just straight away pick our class boundaries. So this means that this will be from 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. As simple as that. Now here, to get our classes, we just get this plus this divided by 2. Now these are class boundaries. Please be careful. Now these are the class boundaries. So this plus this divided by 2, you get a 5. This and this divided by 2, you get 15. But these are the class boundaries, then it's out. So when they are getting the class boundary here now, I mean the class interval, you get this minus this. That's why you get the class interval. So here our class interval will be now, these are now limits or class limits. So you just get 10 minus 0, it will be equal to 10. Because these are class boundaries or limits. So that without it's going to be 10, 10. So you just add 10, 10. Add here 10, this is 25, 35, then 45. Then you need f of x. So this times this, we get R15. This times this, we get 75. This times this, 250. Then 35. And 8, we get 280. Then this 180. 180. Then when we add all this, so I'm getting 800. So when you sum f of x, 800. So, with 800, let me confirm again. You lose nothing if you are not sure about, you are not contented with the answer. Okay, now here we just substitute. So we shall be having now summation f, which is 80, 180, 800, sorry, not 80, which is summation f of x, which is 800, the whole over that. We give our answer for decimal places. This will be 26.667, and these are ages. We put here, yes. Put the units from the question. Then here are our class boundary. Let us make the model class. The model class is the one with the highest frequency. So this one is having our highest frequency. So this one becomes the model class. So the lower class boundary. Now the lower class boundary is this. So we have 20 now plus into D, then this minus this. So our dA is 10. The frequency of that class minus that one above it. This one means above it, which is 5. Then the frequency of that class minus the one below it, which will be 2. So this will be 5 over 5 plus 2. Then times the class interval. Here, our class interval is 10. And so our answer there is going to be 5 divided by 7 minus. So this one is giving me 27.14. 2, 9. So yes. So that's how we handle. We are going to see some cases. Now here, note, if they give you the frequency in thousands, you don't need to multiply. But if they give you classes when they are done in 1,000, there you multiply. I repeat. Here the frequency they are giving us is in 1,000, but that one is what will make itself out, because if you get this times this and you multiply this with 1,000, and you multiply also this with 1,000, when you divide it, that 1,000 will cancel. But when they give you, when the classes are done with in 1,000, there you multiply with 1,000 as you are going to see the next lesson. Okay, so that's members. Let us see the next lesson.